Hey guys, Steve here. Well, in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry on with our experiment of promoting our Clickbank offer with the 100 leads a day we get from My Lead Gen Secret. Let me tell you a little bit about a conversation I had with a Facebook acquaintance. We spoke about how people are having success with multiple MLGS accounts. And I'm like, man, it sounds so good. I think that I might have to try it. This person was reviewing other videos online, seeing a success, so they're going to try it. And, I'm almost convinced to try it because it's exciting, because when you combine the number of accounts together, I hate monthly fees though. I know that you make enough money to pay for the monthly fee. It's just the whole idea of having, to be honest with you, I'm probably going to break down and do it. But, I just gotta, just having 5 different accounts, right? It's awesome though, because think about it. You're quintillion, how you say 5 times in, 5 times in the number of accounts, 5 times in the number of leads that you can get to, even though your first account has a lot more leads than the rest, but still over time, each of those accounts are getting 200 leads a day, except for the last one, right? And then by the end of the month, you have 30,000 leads, right? 5 times 6,000 would be 30,000 leads, right? Oh man, 30,000 leads on top of the leads that you have with your original account. So the number is just now sunk in reality-wise. So imagine emailing all of those leads every day. And I think I'm going to try it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you when I'm going to start. I'm going to start probably in January, most likely the beginning of the month, beginning of the year, the new year, and I'm going to try it. And I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. Because that's actually 6 times 5 actually is 60. It's $300 to get started though, because you have to think about it's $30 a month plus it's a $30 admin fee to create your account, right? So that's $60 to start 5 accounts off the bat, right? So that's $60 times 5. That's $300 to start an additional 5 accounts, right? Or 4 accounts. Let's say 4 accounts, right? So we'll have a total of 5 accounts. So that's 4 times 60. That's $240, right? And then you got to pay $30 a month minus the monthly commissions that you get from each level. I mean, it'll work out. So I would have to pay like $240. Then I can have 4 additional accounts on top of mine. I'll have to run the numbers, but it sounds really, really convincing when I was talking to this person. So if you see a new set of videos, that's what it's going to be. I'm just going to start my account over January 1. We're going to start it all over again. We're going to start with those accounts, and then we're going to start emailing out again. But until then, I'm still going to be working with 1 account because, like I said, technically I already paid for 5 months of My Lead Gen Secret. So anyway, we're still going to run this until January, and then I'll see about getting those additional accounts. Plus, I got other opportunities I'm working on. I got other side income streams coming in. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at today's stats, like we always do. Take a look at today's stats, today's numbers, then jump over to Clickbank, take a look at those numbers, and then make the next day selection and send the 1 email out for today. So anyway, so let's minimize this and let's log into our My Lead Gen Secret account. Okay, so yesterday's email we sent was this one right here. It was $150 a day uploading Instagram pics. Wow, we're already up to 4,300 opens and 188 clicks with an open rate of 6%. We crushed yesterday's number. I wonder if I would have put a $sign in front of this if it would have mattered. You know what I'm saying? Because that looks like maybe I should have put a $sign in there, and then we would have seen how that magically did that. Because look here, the one with the $sign here is higher than that one too, just because that $sign. This one, wow, look at this one. This one's on a roll, right? This one is really coming up because that's the one we really didn't have nothing. Even this one came up a little bit. But anyway, those are the numbers. Let's jump over to the Let's take a peek at the affiliates real quick. Commissions. Nope. No new. Whoa. We had Prosper did a one-time offer. I wish they would have reached out to me because then I could have told them how. Anyway, well, that's cool. I can deal with that. So we got one OTO, which is awesome. And here are our numbers on the chart here. Look at our highest was 5,375. Our highest peak here was 5,000. What did I say? Yeah, we already hit our highest. We hit our highest back on 12/19. That's the day we actually got that. No, is that the day we got that one sell on? Possibly. No, we got it on this one here. So that one's still clicking. That broke our record, our total open record, right? And that was on this email here. That's on the click. What is this? Click the Wealth one, which we're gonna have to see if we got any commissions on that one. So then, if we come over here, we see that today's email, or the 25th Christmas Day's email, is on the uptick, right? With 4,300 clicks, or 4,300 opens and 188 clicks. So what we'll do is we'll just go over here and get ready for our email, our one email today. So let's go here and take a look at what was yesterday's email. Was this one, 150? Let's jump over to Clickbank real quick. Let me do the screen here because that's what I always got to do. Boom, boom, put the screen right up in our window here. So let me refresh to make sure that, okay, so yeah, we didn't make any commissions on the 24th or the 25th. I mean, we tried to close the gap here, just didn't work very well. You see this long stretch here? We closed the gap here. We need to try to close this gap to our next commission day. And maybe the 5 accounts or the 4 additional accounts will work. I mean, I don't doubt it because I see quite a few other YouTube channels. One is Mr. Day. He's doing it. He's in my multiple income funnel group, and he's rocking it in there anyway. And, you know, then I see somebody else doing it. I can't remember the name, another brother doing it. But, I mean, I might as well try it too. I mean, why not? And this is motivation for you. This is motivation for you. If you see that it's working for other people, say you see it working for me, barely, but do you see it happening for Mr. Day, right? Then you see it happen for the other brother and my acquaintance in the Facebook. You see it happening for them. Actually, 3 people I know in Facebook. Resources Online, right? John McKinney and Steve Schumer, right? Those are all 3 of my acquaintances in my Facebook group for My Legion Secret, and they're all making a killing as well. So, or I mean, not a killing, but they're having success with this same formula. So why don't you just do it too? And matter of fact, there's a link in the description box below, right? But anyway, so let's go over here. Let's check the number for today. I got to plug that in. So here's our numbers. Click the Wealth. It looks like that went up a little bit. Perpetual income. Am I even promoting that anywhere? How is that getting? Oh, because I think I added perpetual income to one of the emails one day. Even if you look here, it's on an uptick for everything. Let's hurry up and go to tracking ID. Come down here. Where were we at? Christmas Eve was here. Christmas Day is here. So on Christmas Eve, we had 88 hops, 0 order form impressions. They just clicked on it. They didn't do anything. On Christmas Day, we had 167 hops, 0 order form impressions. So nobody was buying nothing on Christmas. That's probably why we didn't see any results. So maybe today, which is the 26th, the day after Christmas, maybe they're like, well, it's time to pay some bills. We spent heavy on Christmas. It's time to pay some bills. So what we'll do is so we see those numbers here. So what we'll do is we'll go to the marketplace and we'll get our next email in the series because that's what we chose to do, remember? I kind of want to send out one email we sent the other one day that said $150 a day because that seemed like it's a winner, right? Maybe we should. So we're going to go here. We're going to go to affiliate links and we're going to open that. We're going to go to email swipes, right? Email swipes. We're going to come down here. I think this was it. This is the one we sent yesterday. I like this one because it seems like it's already broke the record on clicks. Let's see this one. Number 9. This one looks like it's going to be disappointing. This one's going to be maybe... I'm just going to stick with what we're doing here. And then if it fails, it fails. Well, then we can follow up the next day. So here's our line. Let's come over to My Legion Secret. Let's select all 68,000 leads. We're going to put this in as a subject line. You missed our appointment. Please confirm commissions. I'm just throw that to make it a little more enticing to open up, right? We're going to come down here to our emailer. Jump back over to Clickbank, grab the body of the email. It's short and sweet. I like short and sweet emails. Is that the right one? Yeah, I like short and sweet emails, right? So maybe it will be a banger. Maybe it will be a banger, right? Maybe it will do the thing. So we're going to change this name here. We're going to take first name from this to always replace the variable that's recognizable in the MyLegion secret system, right? Oh, so that. Then this one we're going to say from your area. This one we can say workers from your area again. Right? And there's nothing else to change. Put my signature here. And then I'm going to put my famous PS line. P dot S dot, right? PS. And we're going to take today's offer. We're going to go with one of my offers right here. I'm going to say the offer we're going to take is this one. Nope. Where's my page? Here it is. We're going to take this offer here, and I'm going to say the easiest way to generate on a planet over and over. And I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to come back to MyLegion secret, right? I'm going to drop that in as my PS line right here. It says, and I'm going to put in parentheses, and includes a 3,000 high ticket bonus. That'll get them to click on that, you know? So I know, but I'm putting that in here because actually I like that offer. I like that opportunity. So where's my link? Where's my link? Where's my link? So come here. Is that it? This one is the link for my video. Nope, that's not it. That's the. Where's my video? Let's try to find it. Let me go here. I know I'm taking you a long way somewhere else. I'm just trying to get my link. And that's the link. Jump back over to this and come here. I'm putting a different link in the PS line just so you know, because like I said, this is my emailer and that I use to still promote my primary offer. So I still want to put something in here so I don't feel like I'm missing out, right? I know I'm making Clickbank, but the offer you just saw me add in there can earn me $247 off of one pop. So I have to find a way to always, I mean, that's just who I am. I always find a way to put my main offer in there. Here is where we're going to put the Clickbank offer on that right here. We're going to go back here. We're going to go promote. This is the offer here, remember? I'm sorry I got sidetracked too with that, but like I said, I always MLGS. I'm going to promote both. And we're going to put today's date, 1/2/26. So I can make either money on the Clickbank offer, or I can make money on my primary offer. And then go figure, right? Go check this out. If I get a sell on this one, I earn more at one time, you know. Less work, same amount of work, more commissions. That's what you do. That's why affiliate marketing is awesome. You can get paid varying high ticket amounts off the same effort. So the same effort that you use to make a $6 commission, a $12 commission, I could put that same effort in and make a $200 commission. And that's why I love affiliate marketing. Boom. Please click here. I put below because I changed this. Right there, and that's where it was. So what we're going to do is we're going to upsize it again because I like it to be a little bit bigger. 18 font. And that's it. That's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to preview it. I mean, it was a quick video today, right? 14 minutes. Wow. That's a record. You missed our appointment. Please confirm commissions. I'm going to change that. Put an S at the end. Check this link. That looks good. Check this link. It looks good. Check this link, and that is good. And then I'm going to hit close. I'm going to come up here and put an S, commissions. And then that's it. That's it. That's it. We should be good to go. I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit send email. And that's it for today, right? 15 minutes, right? And that's only 15 minutes because I actually walked us through the opportunity, right? I walked us through everything. But I'll scroll down so you can see something here. So you can see that, see the timer? I got 22 hours and 59 minutes before I can send another email. Now, if you had 5 accounts, imagine you can stagger them. You can do one in the morning, one in the evening, one in midday, you know, and stuff like that. But that's going to be a nice strategy that we are going to try come January. But anyway, that's all that I got. If you want to partner with me in this opportunity, or if you're just needing 100 to 200 leads a day, the link will be in the description box below with a shareable page that you can actually use to help promote your My Legion Secret. Also, if you partner with me, I'll send you a once you get signed up with me, reach out. I'll send you a link with 50 MMO emails that you can use without having to buy the OTO, right? It'll save you some money. You can use these emails and also promote your other opportunities with it as well. So anyway, that's all that I got. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you tomorrow. Like, share, and subscribe.